Hello everyone, this is Eric at RC Monster Garage. Look what finally landed here. This is the Outcast 6S Extreme Bash Roller ready to run. Yes, you no longer need to assemble anything. This is ready to run. Just put your batteries and just go and run it. But let's open it up and see what there is inside. And before you even continue any further than that, look for the other videos. I'm doing another video for the unboxing of the ARRMA Italian. So let's open this thing out and see what we got inside. And again, you know, like those things kind of packed really nice. I really hope that they solve this problem. When you look at the picture and you see here the gearing with the mesh that was problem in the ARRMA Kraton when they release it. I really hope that this is never going to be an issue again. But let's check it out and see what there is inside. We're not really going to open it to see. We're just going to go run one of them later and see what's going to be their end results. Okay, so they're very heavy, big boxes. So when you open them, be careful. Of course, you got the tools, you got the extra pinion, you know, so you can go faster a little bit. And then you have the vehicle packed again, really nice. ARRMA packing their product kind of top notch. And pay attention to this body when it's going to be out because it's awesome. Let's pull the car out. It's a problem to do unboxing when everything is so big. Now, the box comes with the remote right there. I'm just gonna quick glance of the remote. This is one of the older remote systems that they're using. I really don't like this remote. I'm just gonna put it aside because this not what we're looking at right now. So let's move it away. Okay, and then look at this. Look at this beauty. Ta-da! Okay, so when you look at this vehicle, you can see right away, let's bring this down. You can see right away it's a small, short wheelbase. Excellent for jumping. And it's look like the previous version actually that I'm gonna show later. I have here a Notorious and we put them side to side to show the difference. But then when you look all around, you can see first of all that it's look very familiar, and you see the colors are really nice, and then they have this like black on black graphics. Let's see, let me hide the light. Yeah, kind of black on black graphic that disappear, that it's really cool. And then let's remove the body, because looking at an RC car without removing the body, I never show you what's really going on. So when we flip this, this is the regular body with the regular frame, you know, for flipping and whatever. So we already know how this looks. But then you have that inside. So this is actually pretty cool. So this is a very compact vehicle. It's a little bit shorter than the ARRMA Kraton. And I already see something that I don't know why they're doing it. So let's get into it first. Right here. Okay, right here there's a $12 fan to cool down the motor that really need to be here, and it's not there. And this is a problem. ARRMA people, please listen up. And I know that you guys listening to what I do because I see you guys stealing some of my designs. You need to put a fan over here. This is a must. This will make the life of those motor longer, and will be less warranty claim on those motor keep seasons on people. So please pay attention. Now when you look at it, short frame, and it's very good. And this frame is 7075 aluminum, so it's actually pretty cool. Then you have over here already the cat pack on the car. So those are small packs, but it's still gonna help a lot. You know, it's like for 6S, but you can use 3S, and then you have here the jumper actually to use 2 battery or a single 3S battery. So this option does exist. Then when you look at it all around, you can see already that they have the frame over here, and then they have right there all the support already from aluminum. You can see those are big boy shocks from aluminum that they put on it. They're actually pretty nice. It's a very good system that everything here is kind of aluminum. Those arms, look how massive those arms are. So this is actually going to be awesome when people doing a big jump. Now the sway bar over here, I usually like to push on them with my fingers and see how good the sway bar kind of resist. And the metal over here, it's feel actually pretty good, but still for something like this I would wanted to see it a little bit thicker, to be honest with you guys. So you know, like you can take a metal and actually spring, it's called spring metal, it's a black spring metal you can get in a hardware store, and you can remove this and actually make it yourself. You can make this part yourself. And we're talking about this chrome piece over here, a sway bar, or they call it on a real car, it's an anti-roll bar. When you take a turn in a very high speed, what it does, it's co-coordinate both wheels together to lift a little bit. As you see right now, it's doing absolutely nothing. So it's mean that this is not strong enough. This is something to look at. Okay, now let's flip it for the back, because this Outcast is actually going to be a stunt truck. So they put over here a little wheelie bar, and let's get into that right now. Okay, so I'm gonna bring it a little bit closer here. So what are going on here? You have those wheels over here that actually rubber, and those are for this truck to pop wheelie, and this thing will pop wheelie on command. Those wheels are kind of I would say almost like a 1/18 scale street wheel, and they're actually really cool, and they're very important. It's a little bit shorter when you look from the side, kind of the wheelie bar, but overall it's gonna pop wheelie that way, and it will just drive, so it's gonna be actually pretty cool. Overall, when I look at it, it's a really nice truck. Now those things going for about $729 or so. Contact me if you want any of those cars, because I'm gonna give you a great deal. But just contact the shop, MotoStyles shop in Granada Hills. Now if you want a truck that you can go jump and go crazy and you don't have to worry about it too much, this is definitely the one for you. Now it's a little bit more expensive, but consider that you're not going to break parts that easily. It's going to be actually a money saver. Now I do want to see one of those trucks that eventually they're going to make coming with all aluminum arms, because everybody will do that anyway. So give the people a version with the aluminum arms over here and without, you know, like the lower and upper arms or so. Now for the motor that this thing have, the motor right there, this is still the 2050 motors that you have on the regular Notorious and Kraton and all the other vehicles. And again, it's the same also ESC. The servo here, it's a Metal Gear servo that they put inside. So I think that overall this vehicle will be a lot of fun after we're going to put actually the batteries inside and go and just start bashing with it. But again, small thing that pisses me off, again, no fan on the back. It's super important to look at it at the vehicle, you know, and see like that the arms are still staying from plastic. Is the second thing that I would like to actually get changed. And the third thing, I would like to see a stronger motor. Number 3, I don't know, I cannot see the camera. Number 3, like the motor, they keep using the same motor for everything. Now I can show you guys something really cool real quick. For those cars, trucks, or whatever ARRMA is making, you can get this kit, and this will make it into 8S. So you will be jumping from 6S to an 8S for the same size of the motor and almost the same size of the ESC. They actually will fit, no problem at all. And this can be very cool system, and this is about like around like $300 or so to make this vehicle a small 8S vehicle. And you guys know that you guys gonna do it anyway with me showing it or not. Let's go put some batteries and run it outside and see like how it's gonna act and how it's gonna behave. And I will see you in my next video. Right now, don't forget, like, subscribe and share. This is available in our shop at MotoStyles. We're at the end of July, 17540 Chatsworth Street in Granada Hills. We're moving out from here in 3 months to a different location, so just pay attention whenever you see the video. Next video gonna be the ARRMA Italian Extreme Bash Roller ready to run. See you, bye.